So we've gone over the if statement, but now I'm going to introduce something called an else. So here's the high-level description of an if statement. We have our Boolean here, and then the code that executes here if that Boolean is true or false. Now, if this happens to be false in this Boolean expression, you can use an else statement to execute some other code if it was false. So this says, if true, do this code, and it will not do the else. But if the Boolean happens to be false, it will do the else. So it's kind of like saying, either do this if true, or do this if false. So to implement the else in Blockly Arduino, we go to Control, we go to our regular if statement, and then we click this star button. And after clicking the star, you choose the else and drag it over to the if. So now our if block looks like this. If some Boolean, so let's pull out a Boolean. We can just pull out true for now. If true, do, and then let's do that serial print again one more time. This time, let's have it say, I am true. I am true. And then else, we will say, oh yeah, we need a serial print. Else we will say, I am false. For consistency, let's change these both to capitals. Alright, so here's my completed block. If true, it will print out I am true. Else it will print out I am false. So if you copy this code into your Arduino IDE, you will see that the result is that it's printing out I am true. But if we change this to false, and alternatively you could do this in the Blockly, but for conciseness I will just edit it here, and then if we run it, perhaps I already did that, it says I am false. And that's the basics of an if-else. If it's true, it will do the first, else it will do the second.